Okay, so something really funny happened after I said goodbye. So that's why I'm not saying goodbye yet to this vlog. Goodbye. The girl, wait lang, someone. Okay, wala pa naman. Okay, so this girl that I was talking about, na parang hindi kanya matatanggap whatever you're doing, parang kala mo friend mo, hindi pala. She PM'd me out of the blue earlier, and she just like started on Messenger, and I pushed, you know, ignore, actually mute conversation, and I just like, I don't care, I'm sorry, I don't care anymore. What this person did to me is very hurtful in a way, because parang hindi ko naman sinasabing ni-roast niya ako for what I look like, but she roasted me on my choice of honoring the person who died. Alam mo yun? In my opinion, if you know, if it fell out of context for her, that's her opinion. She could have talked to me privately about it. That's the only thing. You could have talked to me in private. Wala sa akin yung tawagin mo kong baboy, mataba, alam mo yun. The other thing that offended me and, you know, made me not talk to this person publicly is she made the person who died look bad in my eyes. That this person really hated me. And I should be angry right now at the person who died, but I just don't want to. Alam mo yan, dun ko na lang masasabi na mature na pala talaga ako, na kaya ko nang tanggapin, alam mo yun, kaya kong lunukin yung bitter pill, although it takes time, it really takes time. Another thing happened earlier, which is so funny. I actually got into an accident because of it. Si Yeso kasi kausap ko, and I was talking to him about something, and I was like, oh, I'm really frustrated, I might break this rolling pin I'm holding. So sabi niya, wag, mahal. And I was like, what? Wait lang. Girl. Yeah. So sabi niya, wag, mahal. Huh? Mahal? Wait lang. Maligaw ka muna. I was really shocked to the point I slipped and fell on my butt. Now my hips hurt. Okay, yes, so kasalanan mo to. Oh my god. It's so funny. Tapos, pansin nyo parang ang pula-pula ko ngayon kasi pag na-frustrate talaga ako at kinikim-kim ko yung galit, I really turn red. I parang flushed ako. Okay? So, yun. I-end ko na talaga tong vlog na to, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys on the next vlog. Okay? Bye! Oo nga pala, guys. Meron akong isang bagay na i-share sa inyo habang may paparaan na bus, na truck. Okay. Meron lang akong isang bagay na napagtanto. Napagtanto talaga. Teka, lagyan natin ito sa taas para medyo payat yung itsura ko. Okay. Kasi nagre-restock ako ng soft drinks doon. Pero bago tayo mag-restock ng soft drinks, may isa akong bagay na napag-isip-isip at na-realize sa buhay ko. Na sa buhay natin, not everyone will support what you're doing. And it took me like a couple of days to really swallow that bitter pill. Alam mo yun, masakit sa pakiramdam na ganun pala. Oh, you're doing great. I'm so happy for you. At the end of the day, hindi pa supportable yung ginagawa. Which kind of hurts. Wala tayong you just have to accept the fact na matapos talaga. Unfortunately, alam mo yun, may hindi maligaya sa life choice mo, mga tao hindi ka support. To you, ikaw lang naman yung naging nega sa ibang tao. Habang ako, I'm still living my life. Yun lang. Alam mo yun? masaya na ako dun sa desisyon ko na because of what happened a couple of days ago, I am feeling better mentally. Kasi I almost had an anxiety attack a couple of days ago. That's one thing I didn't tell you guys. I almost had an anxiety attack a couple of days ago, and it was because of what happened on Facebook. Some of you may have seen it, some of you haven't. Don't try to get there, parang ayoko na lang. Alam mo yun, na ako sa puso ko at sa isipan ko, at the end of the day, what I did is something that is fit. Hindi ko kailangang mag-apologize, hindi ko kailangang mag-adjust sa ibang tao, because that's what I did. I'm just happy. Yun lang. Okay, mag-aayos muna ako ng soft drinks. At mamaya mag-i-edit pa rin ako sa bahay. Puro edit na lang gagawin ko talaga ngayon. Ang dami kong kailangan i-edit kasi. So, I'm gonna end this vlog today here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys are interested to see more of my work, you know, more of my stupid decisions in life, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And of course, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!